morning, my name is Ryan Wright with Golden State Fire Apparatus, and we're here to kick off the 2020 Fire Truck Face-Off. We have 42 individual customers from the past 2 years, and we're going to do a random drawing, and we're going to start with the gold bracket. Our first contestant will be Sunnyvale. Next contestant is Vista Fire Department. Next contestant is the City of San Jose Fire Department, Rockland Fire Department, Nevada County Consolidated Fire Department, Murphy's Fire Department, Piedmont Fire Department, and rounding out the gold bracket will be Kenwood Fire Protection District. And next up we have the contestants for the silver bracket. Our first contestant will be San Rafael Fire Department. Then we have the Fairfield Fire Department. Next we have Milpitas Fire Department, Mill Valley Fire Department, Clovis Fire Department, North County Fire Authority, San Ramon Valley Fire Protection District, and to finish up the silver bracket we have Ripon Fire Department. Our third bracket this year for the Fire Truck Face-Off is the black bracket. Our first contestant is Hanford Fire Department, followed by the San Francisco International Airport. Then we have the Casumas Fire Department, Sassoon City Fire Department. Then we have the Folsom Fire Department, followed by the Fortuna Volunteer Fire Department. We have the Yocha-Dahi Fire Department. And last in the black bracket is the Calaveras Consolidated Fire Protection District. And last but definitely not least is the red bracket. Our first contestant in the red bracket is the Oakland Fire Department, followed by the Corning Fire Department. Then we have the Wairika Fire Department, followed by the City of Sacramento Fire Department. We have the Tulare Fire Department. We have the UC Davis Fire Department. We have the Salinas Fire Department. Let's shake them up for our last contestant overall. And our last contestant is the Lincoln Fire Department. Not only are we this year randomly selecting the contestants, we are also going to randomly select for those customers that had multiple types of units, the type of unit they'll be getting. All right, the Milpitas Fire Department, they've bought multiple types of units from us over the last couple of years. They bought a tiller, and they bought multiple pumpers. We're going to toss it in here to figure out what configuration will ultimately represent them. All right, I'm just going to reach in here and grab for whatever one. It'll be their pumper. Okay, next multiple unit customer is the San Jose Fire Department. We just delivered 3 units to them, the first of which was a heavy duty rescue. And then we had a hazardous materials vehicle. And then we had a second heavy duty rescue with a knuckle boom crane on the rear. Right, again, I'm just going to reach in here and just kind of randomly feel for which one. And it's San Jose's Heavy Duty Rescue. Up next for our multiple unit customer, we have the City of Sacramento. And they bought several units from us over the last couple of years, one of which is a Heavy Duty Rescue, a rear mount aerial, multiple enforcer pumpers, and a water tender. Okay, again, just gonna reach the hand in, shuffle them around, grab whatever one. Sacramento City Pumper. All right, next up we have the North County Fire Authority. They got a couple of tillers from us, as well as multiple custom pumpers. Good luck. All right, let's do the random, mix it up, pull one out. North County Fire Authority tiller. So that's it for the 2020 Fire Truck Face-Off. We'd like to thank all the customers that are going to be representing their cities and their departments, as well as the ones that didn't get drawn. While this was a random drawing, there's nothing random about the appreciation that we have for you being one of our great customers. So thank you very much, good luck, and rock the vote.